I'm excited, I'm excited. Okay guys, why am I without makeup, you ask? Well, because there are these trending videos of normal people like me trying to follow beauty guru makeup tutorials, which are super hard. Now there are so many steps into a makeup look. There is the baking, they put all this powder in their faces, then there are all these crazy eyelashes and stuff like that, and I wanna try to do it. Wish me luck. By the way, I'm Roxy, and this is Roxyrockstv. Subscribe, the happiest channel. Subscribe. Okay guys, so I only have my eyebrows done because they take forever and these tutorials are already complicated. I don't want this video to last 8 hours. You guys helped me choose the tutorial. I chose a tutorial from James Charles and the title is Chunky Glitter Festival, and wish me luck guys, wish me luck. Now let's see what happens. Let's see if I can follow this makeup tutorial without looking insane at the end. And let's start. Dun -dun. Okay, let's start. Hi sisters! I hope I look like this at the end of this video.
Hi guys, it's James.
Hi guys! What about hi sisters? Hi sisters! Okay guys, I wanna put my color contacts on since I have them. Ta-da! Okay, let's continue.
So I already went ahead and did my base and eyebrows off camera just because.
No! What do you mean you did the base already? I need the base! Okay. Let's do this video first, the foundation routine, and then we go to the eyes.
I'm starting off by priming my face using my
priming the face! Okay, so I don't have his primer, I have this other one, I'm gonna use it.
Things on my face, so. For my foundation base today, I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation in the shade Y255.
Foundation. I finished my favorite foundation from Puro Bio, but I still have their BB cream, and I'm gonna mix it with the foundation from Kat Von D.
I'm just going to be applying it with my liner and creating little dots all over my face.
Little dots!
No, normally I'd go in with my concealer, but
wait.
A few days ago I accidentally used my Client foundation on my under eyes as a concealer, and it actually worked so well. So today I'm going to be using my L'Oreal True Match. Okay,
so I also have a lighter shade of the Kat Von D, and I'm gonna use it under my eyes, like he said.
As you can see, that just provided me with a really nice under eye highlight, and it doesn't look super crusty and gross.
Okay.
And it's not really creasing either, so maybe I'll start using this more often.
Boom! Okay, let's continue.
Now that we look like Casper the Friendly Ghost, I'm going to go ahead and set my entire face using my Coty Airspun powder.
OMG, loose powder! Okay, now I need the not pressed powder. I had it. Okay, I found it. Every time I use this, I make a mess. Let's do this! Okay, so he's putting this stuff all over his face. We're not baking, guys! No! Okay, next.
And I'm gonna pack this light shade on my eyes to further highlight.
Okay.
To contour today, I'm gonna go with my Benefit Hoola bronzer.
Hoola! I have two-faced, guys. Two-faced, I'm sorry.
So to contour my face today, I'm going to be using my Morphe M523 brush. I'm also just going in to contour and bronze my forehead because it's humongous, so it'll appear smaller.
Okay.
Now I'm just going to go back in with my Coty Airspun powder and a powder puff just to bake my contour.
Baking! Yes! Okay, baking. Boom! Okay. Fantastic!
Now that I have the basic shape, I'm going to go with my LA Girl Pro Concealer and a flat definer brush just to carve them out. Now that I finished my brows, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe off my bake with my Morphe E34 brush.
Wow! Yes! Okay. We're done with the face, now we can do the eye makeup. I'm so excited. Let's go!
In the lips, so I wanted to make that the main part of the video, and you guys just made me do my base. several times and my routine is still exactly the same, so let's just skip it and move right along. For the upper eyelid, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. I'm starting off by taking Tempera and a Morphe M513 brush and just dusting this in the crease and over the upper eyelid.
What color is that? Show me the color! They seem like skin color colors. I'm gonna try and see what is happening. I'm gonna guess. Okay.
This will just kind of be like my base color to set my eyelid primer in place, just to make sure everything blends really, really nicely.
Okay. Okay, this is an orange color. An orange color. Orange reddish.
Now normally when we do smoky eyes, obviously we're not very concerned about getting it on the lid, but with this I'm now just taking that same N562 brush and dipping into Cypress Umber and Realgar and mixing them together to create a warm brown shade, just to define the crease a little bit more.
Warm brown shade.
Once again, just taking the M433 and blending it out.
Okay.
These types of really blown out colorful looks like this, it's always important to really blend. I always say that, obviously that's like the #1 rule of makeup. Duh. But when you have blend. I'm going to use this flat top brush from I think BH Cosmetics. I really have no idea the name. Rubbed Off. So that's going to be my guess for today. And I'm going to dampen my brush just using my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Usually I could use like Fix Plus or Makeup Forever Mist and Fix, but I can't find either. So I just dipped my brush into Primavera and Vermeer, mixing them together to create like a goldy champagne type color. And I'm now going to cut my lid using this brush. Okay.
Champagne color.
As usual, you guys know this is my holy grail for all my colored looks, and I'm going to be using these two shades right there. The 30 brush from Morphe, which is a fluffy crease brush, and just begin to place that color down there. When you're doing looks like this, it's really important to start lightly and kind of build up the color. You don't want too much pigmentation right away, just because when you're doing really blown out things, you want the edges to be nice and like faded and smoothly transition into your...
Wait a second!
I'm now going to take my Sigma E35 and a little bit of that navy blue shade and start to define this area a little bit more under the lash line. I'm now just going to quickly put some mascara onto the upper lashes, and you guessed it, I'm using Benefit Roller Lash.
Okay, now fake eyelashes, I have them. Charles! James! Sister! Are you making me put eyelashes without eyeliner? What is happening? Also, are we putting something on our lips because they're dying? They're drying? Let's drink some more coffee. So I get even more dehydrated. I just realized that he has way more eyeshadow on his face than me.
Lashes. I'm going to go ahead now and do the other eye off camera, and we can finish off with the glitter, highlighter, and lips. Now I'm going to go in and give my skin a little bit of glow using my Morphe M501 brush and Anastasia So Hollywood. For lips today, I'm going to be using Ofra the Bronze Liquid Lipstick. This is just a matte black liquid lip.
I have it! I have a black lipstick. I do.
Now that we have the lipstick all on, I'm going to go in with Artist Couture Mermaid Fantasy Highlighter just to add a metallic duochrome sheen to the lips. Today I'm going to be using these Recollections glitter that I found at Michael's the Craft Store.
I think he's using like these ones. It's white and teal, I think.
To apply the glitter, I'm just going to be using Esquito Lash Glue, and I'm going to make some dots all under my eye where I'm going to put the glitter, and then I'm just going to press it all under my fingers. If there are any glitters that you really want and you can't get your finger in there, you can always just use a pair of tweezers. I'm just placing the glue dots completely randomly. I don't want any of...
Woo!
Alright guys, and that completes this dark, chunky glitter makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed this video.
Yes! And that's it guys, I managed to follow this tutorial and I think it looks good. Let me know in the comments what score you give me from 0 to 10, but this was super fun. I hope you guys had fun. Thank you so much, James Charles. I love this makeup. Thank you, sister. Also, let me know if you want me to follow other tutorials. As always, I say hi to all these people who send me cute comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, share it with all of your friends, and see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah! Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv, you are watching Roxyrockstv. Sneak peek of the next video I found Mexican snacks.
Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv, you are watching Roxyrockstv, watching Roxyrockstv.